My youngest loves Fritos. We were out the other night when we had chili. She said, can't you just make some? It got me to thinking, could I? Could I make those at home? We're gonna give it a go. Let's see. Requires 1 cup of Masa. I think I said that right. If I didn't, you can correct me. I don't mind. 1 cup. Yellow cornmeal. It says coarse, or this is all we could even find at the store. So this is what we got. Everything else was self-rising. So this is what we got. So, oh shoot, I'm talking. 1/2 cup of coarse cornmeal. All right, 1 cup of warm water. Now we're supposed to just knead this into a dough. This says to prep 4 feet of parchment paper and fold it in half. 4 feet? I think we're gonna work in batches, maybe. I'm gonna do small batches, I guess. Says to press it out in a rectangle as best you can with your hands. So we're gonna do that. And then to fold over your parchment and roll it out. So here we go. That look like 1/8 of an inch. I don't know. Cut the dough into 1x4 pieces, or whatever size you prefer. 1x4. Okay, I see. So 1 inch by 4 inch. That might be a little bit skinny. Looky there. I cut this dough like I do my bread. Maybe I need a guide for it too. Okay. We're going to heat 1 cup of oil. It says to cook them in small batches, so that's what we're going to do. And frying is not my favorite thing. As long as it doesn't pop me, which I guess there's not really anything to pop, so.
Now I'm making my Fritos.
Are you making your Fritos? They're colored like Fritos. That's what I was thinking.
When I slide it,
Sure.
I'll test it.
We'll test it out. Is that good?
Yep.
They're stealing them off the pan as quick as I put them on. Is that good, Rachel?
Yes.
Everybody keeps stealing my chips off the tray. This is what happens. I stand here and make them. By the time I'm done, there's not even anything to show for it because everybody eats them while I'm cooking. This is the finished product. I needed to let some of them probably cook a little bit longer. I think some of them were a little thicker than they needed to be. And I had swipers swiping them off of the pan as I was trying to get them cooked. So there's not as many here as there was.